Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I am Jessica and I do a cleaning video every Wednesday. Today I was cleaning up from lunch. Kinsley and I had just had lunch, so the kitchen was pretty clean from my morning cleaning routine, but I wanted to go in and wipe down the counters, the backsplash, and wipe down all of the decor that's laying on the counter. And then sometimes I get this wild hair and I want to kind of redecorate, rearrange what I already have. Sometimes I'll pull in pieces from other rooms, and sometimes I just use what's in that room and just kind of change it up. And that's basically what I did today. I did take a few pieces out, but I basically just changed up what's already in there, and that's a great way to freshen up your space, make it feel brand new, but you're not spending any money. So I do this sometimes. Do you guys do that ever? I like to do it. Like I said, it just makes it feel new, and so I really like the way it turned out. I hope you guys do too. So I'm gonna just be quiet now and let you guys enjoy the music.
Not the ones to blame. We were tired of playing games, no wonder. I know we had our ups and downs, always thought we got around stronger. But we were drifting more apart, and it's tearing up my heart in pieces. 'Cause what we had was long ago. All I know is how it slowly ceases. It ceases in the arms of a stranger. A compelling pretender.
So my kitchen looks so bare. It looks like when we just moved into the house. It's kind of crazy seeing it like this. It's kind of neat too because it's like a blank slate for me to start all over. So when you are redecorating a room, that is one tip I have, is to take everything out first. That way it's a blank canvas for you to do whatever you want with. And I do stand around a lot and I look a lot and I like rearrange things a ton, and I didn't film all of that because we would have been here all day. But you kind of see like how I like put things in places and then see if I like them there, and then I change them around. So in the final view, you guys will see where everything ended up. But I did try things in different spots, and who knows, I'll probably end up changing it again in a few weeks.
Trying to unravel. Oh, seemed like an easy rendezvous. Now I see I never knew you at all. At all. In the arms of a stranger. A compelling pretender. We were walking on wire like a moth to a fire, pulling closer to danger. In the arms of a stranger. 1,000 feet, raindrops falling on the street. I can't recall when I last saw the sun. Summer's just a memory, a faded piece of history. No one can remember all the fun. The late night barbecue, zipping on a gin and juice, cruising down the road, no thought of getting old. The girls are hot but the beer is cold. Yeah, that's the way we roll. Bathing in the sun, on the beach having fun. Whoa, these lazy days are never done. I work hard every day, don't waste my time on yesterday. I never shy away from a good time. Coming on Friday night, I see my friends and feel alright. There ain't no stopping us.
In case you were wondering, I did get the glass dispensers from Grove. They sent them to me as a gift with their new hand soap and dish soap. And by the way, it smells so good. I really didn't know what to expect because sometimes the more natural things, I don't love the way they smell. But they smell so good. The hand soap is like lavender or something, and the hand soap is a mint. And oh, I love them. I've been really, really enjoying them. Not to mention the glasses are so beautiful, and a lot of people ask me where I get that little white tray, and as you can see, it did say Grove on there. I get that from Grove Collaborative as well. I just love them so much. If you guys are interested, the link is always in the description box, and I almost always have a deal where you can get a bunch of free stuff, so definitely check that out.
I call you up in the middle of the night, been bothered by dreams, ain't feeling alright. You give me comfort, say just give it some time. By the end of our talk, I'm feeling just fine. You and I will always know where we belong. This ain't no ordinary love we got going on. I'll pick you up in my 59 Ford. We head on down the road until we get bored. Just you and me and the sun and the wind. If the rain should stop falling, we'll head on home again.
So what is in this little birdie? A lot of people ask me that, and these are little lemon scented planks, and they go in your garbage disposal. They freshen it up and make it smell nice. I get them at Walmart. You can get them at Publix, but they are called planks. I believe I have them in my Amazon store as well. They're really inexpensive. I love them. They smell so good. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit different. I had a ton of fun editing it for you. I had a ton of fun filming it, and I really enjoyed the music as well. It's put me in a good mood just sitting here editing it. So please give me a thumbs up, and please, please, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. If you haven't already, it really does help to support my channel. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
To you again.